Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will talk about the directive element. So let's get started. Now friends, in order to save some time, I have already added this project and we have this web content folder. So let's create a new JSP file to get started. I will highlight this web content folder, right click, navigate to new and create a new JSP file, and the name would be new JSP file maybe, and we will click on next. And in here, let me show you by expanding this. We have couple of JSP templates, right? So there could be like multiple templates and we will make use of the simple JSP template. We will click on finish now. Alright, now friends, by default there is some code which is there on this page. Now this code is added via the template by Eclipse IDE, and if we check the code, the most important part is this. Now what is this? This %@ symbol is nothing but your directive element, and this directive element will give some information to the web browser that which kind of data is there in the web page. Now friends, the usage of directive element seems to be optional every time, but it is not. And later down the line, when we will dig more into JSP servlets and JSTL, you would be able to see some scenarios where directive elements will play an important role, and in fact, the directive element will have impact on the overall working of the web page itself. Now the directive element is used to provide metadata, and the metadata which we provide in the directive elements are language, content type, char set, page encoding, and etc. Definitely later down the line we will check the practical usage of directive element. As of now, this was just an introduction in order to give you a complete information regarding all the elements which are available under JSP. Alright, so this was it, a very short and quick video, and in our next video we will definitely discuss a very important thing, which is our deployment descriptor and annotation. So something interesting is coming up. Thanks for watching and take care.